Welcome to this course. This course is for those of you that don't know a lot about graphic design and would like to learn more. You may work somewhere that requires you to design certain things or own a small business and need a few tips on how to use graphic design. Whatever the case may be, I'm glad you're here. This course will teach you some basic principles used in graphic design. We'll look at hierarchy, color, fonts, and placement to help improve the work you create. Hierarchy is organizing your information in order to show your audience what is important. In the example, we have a poster for a film festival. It's fairly simple to recognize what the most important piece of information is because of the size and placement of the text. This poster was designed to draw the audience in with the title, give them the secondary information they need, which is the dates of the festival, and then the designer supported that information with everything else the audience would need to know. Hierarchy also helps draw in the viewer by catching their attention and helping the eye to move around the page. The flyer seen here has deemed the 20% off promotion as the most important piece of information. How about now? The name of the company is now the most important, with all the other materials supporting it. There's still the 20% off promotion, but the designer has decided the company name should be at the forefront. Before you design anything, there needs to be a decision about what you want your audience to know first. Do you want them to know the name of your company, the name of your product, the promotion you're running, your location? Depending on what you are designing, your hierarchy of information will change. Example 1 shows the promotion for gutter cleaning, and example 2 shows the company name as being most important. If this was a mailer for your company, which piece of information would you want the viewer to see first? What is the first impression you'd like to make? That your company name is The Leaf Doctor, or that you're running a promotion for gutter cleaning? Neither answer is wrong, but if your goal is to gain more clients for your company by running a 20% off promotion, then you'd probably want your audience to see that first. Many different ways that we can show hierarchy. Our eyes are trained to see color, so using a color that pops is a good way to show your audience what is most important. Size can also be used to distinguish important information. Make your information stand out by making it obvious. The location that we place the most important information can also be an effective way to show what's important. Typically, we read left to right, top to bottom, so placing important information at the top of the page where we are trained to start reading from is a good place to start. We can also place graphics around important information. If you want to make it really obvious, put an arrow that points to it. You can even circle it or underline it. There are so many different ways to distinguish what you'd like your audience to see first. Find one that works for your design and stick to it. By creating a hierarchy of information, you're creating organization. Our eyes like organization. Let's say we were designing a poster for a speaker series. As you can see by the one pictured, it reads left to right, top to bottom, and does have some graphic signals to show the different speakers. In the next sample shown, we begin pulling some information to the forefront with color. The title is in white and the speakers are also listed in white. Just by using the brighter color, we begin to pull information forward. Sample 3 takes it one step further by using size and color to emphasize the information. These very simple and subtle differences can take your designs to the next level just by creating a more obvious hierarchy of information. In this section, you've learned what hierarchy is, selecting the hierarchy of information in order to show your audience what is most important, and the different ways to show hierarchy.